You want to go exploring? Yeah, let's go. Yeah, it should be fun. You ready? Let's go do it.
Got a little bit physical there before the ball.
This is gonna be fun. Hey, look under here. Oh, wait. Hey, look under here. Look under here. Wait, look. There's not. Oh, there's not that many stuff under there. Just some blank baskets. Look over here. Look over there. I'm gonna do some ninja stuff.
But TCU wants to isolate these Wisconsin linebackers and safeties in space in both the run game and the passing game.
Basically a full house backfield, and Badgers read it perfectly.
Hey, Yama! Read it! Come here!
Really good discipline by Nzegwu.
Going over here! You gotta run away! Don't you dare! Don't you dare! Run away! Ow! Darn it!
Because it's an option attack, they're hoping that Nzegwu
Holy Zuzu!
to the outside, be caught off guard, and allow the
Holy Kung Fu! Look at that! All I see is a couple of school books and a blank whiteboard. That's it. Oh, turns out it's just nothing.
Okay, look, so this is the
Hey, look at under here. Okay. Look at under here. Look.
Turned off.
Thank you. Come with me. Hey, sorry. Look under here.
Number 2 is a star at safety, hard hitter. They're down to 10 now for TCU.
Well, looks like we gotta get done now. Let's go back over here. We'll go back under the bed.
Absolutely. I think a little bit of confusion here by Finellis because of the formation and the way they stacked their receivers there.
Boy, that sure was fun. I loved it. Let's do it again tomorrow. No, we're too tired. We'll do another thing, all right? Okay.